Birth name Ranbir Rishi Kapoor. Meaning of the name Ranbir, the brave warrior. Origin Punjabi. Date of birth the 28th of September 1982. Place of birth Mumbai, India. Nationality Indian. Religion Hindu. Nicknames R.K. Rabu, Rana, Ranbir. Bollywood's heartthrob. Occupation actor. Zodiac sign Libra. Height 1.83 meters. Marital status single. Father Rishi Kapoor, actor. Mother Neetu Singh, actress. Sister Ranbir Kapoor Sahni. Grandfather Raj Kapoor, actor and filmmaker. Great-grandfather Prithviraj Kapoor, actor and director. Cousins Kareena Kapoor and Karisma Kapoor. Brothers-in-law Bharat Shani, Radhima's husband. Sanjay Kapoor, Karishma's ex.
Ranbir Kapoor, born the 28th of September 1982, is an Indian actor. Through his career in Bollywood films, he has become one of the most popular celebrities and one of the highest paid actors in India. He is the recipient of several awards, including 5 Filmfare Awards, the son of actors Rishi and Neetu, and the grandson of actor-director Raj Kapoor. Pursued filmmaking and method acting at the School of Visual Arts and the Lee Strasberg Theatre and Film Institute, respectively. He subsequently assisted Sanjay Leela Bhansali on the film Black, 2005. Kapoor made his acting debut with Bhansali's tragic romance Sawariya, 2007, a box office flop but notable for earning him his first Filmfare Award, Best Male Debut. He was awarded the Filmfare Critics Award for Best Actor for his performances in 3 films of 2009, the coming-of-age film Wake Up Sid, the comedy Jab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani, and the drama Rocket Singh, Salesman of the Year. Kapoor won 2 consecutive Best Actor awards at Filmfare for portraying a troubled musician in the drama Rockstar, 2011, and a deaf-mute man in the comedy drama Barfi, 2012. A starring role in the romantic comedy Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, 2013, one of the highest-grossing Bollywood films, established him as a leading Bollywood actor. However, he followed it by starring in a series of films that underperformed at the box office, although his performance in the romantic drama Tamasha, 2015, was praised. In addition to acting in films, Kapoor supports charities and causes. He is the co-founder of the production company Picture Shuru Productions, and is a co-owner of the Indian Super League football team Mumbai City FC. He is 34 years old.